Hi Mike. So this behavior seems good to me, but just wanted to confirm with you. So I have this sales receipt created and I have voided this transaction. And the payment method that I have choose is payment cash. So now if I try to change to credit card, I get the options, the available credit card options in the list. Um, but now if I try to select the reader, the available readers are not getting listed here. And if I try to save, it says reader is required, but it is not allowing user to update this information. So now if I try to save this, it says reader is required, whereas if I select the credit card, this value is getting populated, says there is only one credit card available, and I'm able to save this transaction. Yeah, let me know what do you think about this behavior. Thank you.